receding. A distant ship smoke on the horizon. You are only coming through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. When I was a child, I had a fever. My hands felt just like two balloons. Now I've got that feeling once again. I can't explain, you would not understand. This is not how I am. I have become comfortably numb. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Tonight, I kind of feel like I need to say the Serenity prayer in Ojibwe. This is a prayer for serenity. Under the serious moonlight. Under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. No. So I'm going to offer a little tobacco. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Kitchimanadu. Odapanan niwi asema. Help me to speak well tonight. We duka wishin. Ando minaway dibakat. Onagoshin. This evening. Ishi onagoshin. Kitchimanadu. The ka we duka wishin. Wewe ni ji nana gudo wendaman. Gio dapanaman inu ke gashke ketosiwan. Ji anji seduyan. Ji apachite eyan. Ke gashke ketuyan. Ji dat de apachi nebuakayan. Ji gaindaman ono. Great Spirit, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, and the courage to change the things that I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Amen. Abeyenge. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like a big one, like a flower. Let's dance. Let's dance the night away. No. I'm gonna go back. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie.
Well, hello, NANABOOZHOO. Where are you?
Oh, I'm just outside. I put out some tobacco. I said the Serenity prayer.
Oh, okay. You want me to pick you up?
Yeah, can you teleport me home?
Sure. Want to do a show?
Yeah, I'm thinking why not? Let's do a live stream.
Okay. Hang on, I got to scan for your coordinates.
All right.
And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
Nah. Whoa, what happened?
Let's try that again, sweetie.
Okay.
Make it so, number 1.
Roger that. Hey, sweetie.
Oh, hi.
This teleporter is kind of acting up again.
Yeah, I noticed that. I think it's time for a tune-up. This junky old teleporter. It's like the res car. It's like a res runner of teleporters.
Yeah.
BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, Gwen Carly.
Oh, is Gwen here?
She sure is.
Let's give her a gold star.
Gold star for Gwen.
Hey, Gwen, how you doing?
Mino onagoshin, Gwen. Good evening. And Wisani's back, sweetie.
No way! Bonjour, Wisani!
Bonjour, Niji. Should we give a silver star for Wisani?
Wisani gets a silver star.
And coming in third is Kaya. Third again. Yeah, sorry. Perpetually in third place, Kaya gets a bronze star.
And a bronze star goes by Kaya's name. Bonjour, Kaya.
John Redcorn's here. You get nothing, John. Just sit down.
Hey, John. Bonjour, Niji.
Hey, Cousin Missy's here.
Well, bonjour, cuz.
What's going on, Missy? Mistletoe? Missing toe, I call her. Oh, man. Yeah, I'd like you to write the Serenity Prayer out and frame it. Could you give us the text sometime? Yeah, sure. I'll, you know what? We got a little, should I just try to find it right now, sweetie?
Are you out of your mind?
A little bit. Oh, you know what? Now that I cleaned up all the files,
Yeah.
I think that might have been one of the ones I deleted.
No, you wouldn't have deleted that.
Maybe not. Let's see. Where's the Ojibwe Serenity Prayer?
This makes for a good show.
Yeah. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Nah.
Oh, here it is. Okay. And of course it's here. Gitchi Manadu. Great spirit.
You're terrible at that.
I know. All right, here we go. This is turning into like a real class. I should have played a song and then grab this.
Yeah, okay.
Then let's... All right. Gitchi Manadu. Daga we duka wishin. Weweni. Jinana gura wendamin. Geodapanaman. Inu ke gashki ketosiwan. Ji anjisaduyan. Jide apachite eyan. Ji anjisaduyan. Ke gashki ketuyan. Jide apichidabwakayan. Jikendaman. Oh no. And to know the difference. Jikendaman. Oh no. And this is the Serenity Prayer in OJIBERISH. To learn more about sobriety, Dr. Brian Souls.
He's an expert.
Yeah, he is now. Soul Man here?
Let's see. I don't see him.
He's a soul man. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
He got what he got the hard way.
You know what song I like?
Country Roads.
I sure do.
You gonna play it?
Here's a song by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. Don BOOZHOO, rockstar. Hey everyone, how you doing? Michael Lyons and Natasha, the lovely and talented, have recorded a song by John Denver. And this is a song about gravel roads.
Well, gravel roads.
Yeah. Well, he calls them country roads. But what that really means is a gravel road, honey.
Oh, okay.
Bingwi Mikana is a gravel road, or what I would call a country road. Bingwi Mikana. Mikana. And here is a song by Michael and Natasha. Well, by John Denver. Miigwech. Gabisan Dawieg. Thank you for listening. Almost heaven, West Virginia. Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, glowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. Take me home, down country roads. Take me home, down country roads.
Oh, Bingwi Mikana, Country Road. And, you guys did a great job. Thanks, buddy. You too, sweetie. Country roads. And speaking of sobriety, John Denver is one of the few people who died from drunk flying. You know how he crashed? That guy had so many DUIs. Not only did they take away his driver's license, but they took away his flying license. But he was like, you know what? I'm John Denver. I'm gonna polish off this, bottle of Jack Daniels and go flying this afternoon and crash. Dead. Gee. Tragedy, really. Tonight, sweetie, I have it in my mind. What's that? How will the weather be tomorrow? Sweetie, Anin, gi ijiwe bud, wabung. How will the weather be tomorrow? Ladies and gentlemen, with the weather report and forecast for the next, 10 days? What? Please welcome Natasha. Take it away. What do you want me to say? Oh, didn't you prepare like a weather girl segment? No. Wow, do I feel stupid. Did you want me to say what's good? I think it's going to be sunny tomorrow. Well, that's something. We zagate wabung. It will be sunny tomorrow. We zagate wabung. I'm kind of disappointed. I was hoping you'd be in front of like a weather, like a map of Minnesota, and like show like little cartoon suns and stuff. Yeah, that would have been really cute. But no, I had better things to do today. What'd you do? Well, I went to church. Oh yeah, we had the picnic down by Oh, it's choking me up. Down by Norway Beach. That was cute. Brought out all the puppets. The little kids are playing with puppets. Now all the puppets are all dirty with dirt and little kid goo. I mean, not puppets. Cast members. Yeah. You boys okay after the day at the beach? Yeah, boss. I had fun. That was Benjamin, you guys. We zagate wabang. Zagate is it's sunny. We is the future. It will be sunny wabung tomorrow. So saith the weather girl, Natasha. Yeah, huh? And did you know, sweetie, that the sun was 400 times bigger than the moon and 400 times farther away from the earth? Oh, really? Is that scientific fact? Yep. That they did an experiment and then worked it out with math and telescopes so they could tell that the sun, in spite of what looks like it's the same size during a lunar eclipse, in spite of what your lying eyes will tell you, the sun just happens, not because of God, just happens because of evolution and the Big Bang Theory, yeah, to be 400 times farther away and 400 times bigger, so it just lines up perfectly, is the definition of, why. You don't believe that, do you? Nope. The sun and the moon are the same size, obviously. I think it's time we all kind of agree to agree. Yep, we can tell for ourselves. We don't need Neil deGrasse Tyson to tell us what reality is. I have eyes. I can see in the sky. And this is why we wrote a song called Crashing Down. No, we didn't. We wrote a song called Earthling Sun. Oh, yeah, Earthling Sun. All about aliens. Oh, no. Okay, here's a song that Michael Lyons wrote. And I do most of the singing, but we all sing on it, actually. And it's about, remember back in the 80s? You know what's funny? What's that? Ever since people got cell phones, you haven't heard of anybody getting abducted by aliens anymore. I know. What happened to that? I don't know. It's weird. Darn the luck. Just as cell phones came in and when a person could, film himself getting probed by a little alien, the aliens all decided to quit abducting people. That's pretty suspicious. Yeah, exactly. I'm not saying the people were never abducted. They were abducted by midgets who work for the CIA. And wear costumes. Yeah. Well, you can't have they don't have flying saucer technology. It's called a drone. But anyway, here's a song where the singer of the song finds out that back when I was a kid, there were all these stories of, he was a love child of a alien. Alien abducted some lady and then she gave birth to a half-breed, a Wisakode Winini, a mixed-blooded alien human. This is a song about getting visited by an alien and then you kind of figure out, wait a second, why is he asking so many questions about my mom? He's like, how's your mother been? I haven't seen her in a long time. Hey, you look good, So this is Earthling Sun. Miigwech.
Hey, Stephen, how you doing today? I'm doing quite well, Natasha. How are you?
Late last night in my bedroom, a stranger came from beyond the moon, and he said he was here to learn and to teach that which was beyond our reach. His eyes were huge and his mouth was small. He moved like liquid at 4 feet tall. I was so scared I was screaming inside. He gave me a smoke, it eased my mind. We spoke about space and a lost earthling lover. I felt kinda strange when he asked, how's your how's she been since I've been away? Casting shadows from electric blue light, an alien sat on my bed last night, and I saw my reflection in his ebony eyes. Then I knew the truth and I knew the lies. He said, you're my flesh and my blood, you're my precious one. You're my flesh and my blood, but it's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. My earthling son, my earthling son, it's time to go. My earthling son, it's time we go. It's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go. Oh, wow. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. Oh, good. You make it up there okay? Yeah, I'm all the way up on the moon. Okay. Well, give me a call when you want me to pick you up. I sure will. Roger that. Over and out. Over and out. Boop, boop, boop. I just thought I'd come up here on the moon. You know, it's weird. It's so bright. Remember the other night when it was a supermoon and it was like a flashlight in the sky? But when you get up here, it just looks like gray cat litter. You know, because as NASA will tell you, and as science has proven, the moon isn't a light source. It just reflects the sunlight like a pool cue. You know, even though it's gray up here. There's the Earth. One of only 2 real full shots of the Earth from space is what they tell us. Oh yeah, they got all kinds of pictures of Mars and other planets in the universe. You know, that's no problem. But catching a picture of the Earth and forget about asking for any kind of video, that's impossible. There's no way to shoot video from, you know, like the moon. You know, some people, they think they faked going to the moon because it's been 50 years since they've tried. And they get millions of dollars every day. And NASA will say, well, yeah, but what else are you going to do? You're not, you know, we already did it all. We played golf. We drove a dune buggy. Took some pictures. Come on, man. We did that 6 times. What more do you want? But we're like, yeah, but it's been 50 years. How come you don't go back? Why don't you go back and set up a video camera? That'd be cool. You could watch the Earth spin from a video camera. You know, they got that technology, right? You called President Nixon from the moon. Right? We all saw that. in 1972 when the astronauts called the president from the moon. Idiots. Oh no, yeah, there's some fishy stuff there, but I still believe we went to the moon. Why? Why would you believe such a stupid thing? Because you got such a big ego, you can't, oh no, nobody could ever fool me. I couldn't believe a lie even though I was a kid when they told me. Nope, I still choose to believe that the U.S. government went to the moon 6 times in 4 years. Nobody died. Different crew every time. No problem. And now it's been 50 years. And they can't go back. They say they can't. It's too hard. Oh, Mars? Yeah, we can fly to Mars. That's no problem. But the moon? That thing's moving. How are you going to... But somebody posted a picture of some liar from NASA, some actor. They say, oh, here's the first Native American woman going to go to space. Oh, how proud we are as a people. One of our own, Anishinaabe Quays, will be flying in a rocket ship and going up to the, International Space Station? The flying space station? This thing that floats in gravity, in no gravity, powered by solar panels. Heated, cooled, air supply, food replicators, whatever. Amazing technology they have on that International Space Station that moves at twice the speed of a bullet. I forget what a bullet moves at, but when I looked it up, I went, oh, that's twice as fast as a bullet moves. And people are like, oh yeah, I saw the space station last night. It flew across the moon. It's like, yeah. Okay. Oh, I just saw a bullet fly by my head. I could see it because I'm Superman. 18,000 miles an hour. I just heard in my head from my telepathic connection. I always say telekinetic, that's wrong. That's when you can move stuff with your brain. Telepathic connection from my cold hands. Yeah, okay, so it's 18,000 miles an hour. The space station, International Space Station, flies through the air, powered by the sun for heat, air conditioning, water purification. The countless scientific experiments that they're performing in their khakis and socks and polo shirts. We just happen. If you've never heard of anything anybody from NASA has ever accomplished, you're probably thinking to yourself, well, that's because I don't pay attention. No, they've never done anything. I mean, they always have some news thing. Well, we're going to fly to Mars. Oh, look at us in the control room, all high-fiving each other because we landed on Mars. And then, nothing. Oh, what are you doing on Mars? Nothing. Oh, what do you want us to do? Oh, yeah, we do have a remote control car. We do have a remote control car on the planet Mars. That you can believe for sure. There's no reason why we'd lie about something like that. It's just all so stupid. I'm going to go up to the International Space Station and float around. Going to do a little experiment with water. We'll film that. Look. I think I'm gonna build up here. Get a crew up here. We'll build a little house over there. Oh, there's no oxygen. You would die. How can you believe anything they say about the moon? They don't know. I never went there. Imagine how smelly that space station gets in the summer. Yeah, can you imagine? They're living, and they're just casual about the fact they're flying faster than the fastest jet airplane. You know, no windows, nobody looks out the window. Sometimes they'll do spacewalks. Oh, we got to go fix something on the outside of the plane. A spacewalk is essentially the same as if they detected something going wrong on the outside of an airplane, and the pilot was like, well, I guess I better go while we're flying outside and fix the thing. You know, I'm not going to land. No. We can, whatever needs to be fixed while we're traveling at 18,000 miles an hour, I'm going to put on my spacesuit, this inflatable thing that somehow still has mobility, you know. I'm going to put on my motorcycle helmet and snowmobile suit and moon boots and float outside. And we'll take video of just my hands on the outside of this thing. That's the most infuriating thing. Whenever they show like, oh, here's video from a spacewalk, they'll show the guy on the side of the thing floating. Nobody ever turns the camera around and looks at the Earth or the moon or anything else. Like, just the guy's hands. It's like, yeah, that's what we need to see. You're obviously faking all this. Bunch of liars. Well, it's just so embarrassing because when somebody be like, oh yeah, that was my cousin. She just got accepted into NASA. Can you believe it? I'm like, well, that's too bad. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's like being accepted into Disney or, you know, Hollywood, but only way more evil and deceptive. Hey, I'm so proud. Yeah, you know, my great uncle, he was a liar during the moon missions. Oh, good for you. Yeah, they brought back space rocks. No, they didn't. Anyway. I always get crabby when I come up here and I start thinking about the fake moon landing. I'm gonna go back. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. Are you ready to come home? Yeah, I'm done ranting about the moon landing. Okay. Well, it's one to teleport. Make it so, number one. Nah. Hey, sweetie. Hi. How are you? A little crabby now. You always get crabby when you talk about the moon landing. When I talk about the fake moon landing? Yeah, I know. It just gets my goat. I can't stand... Here's one. Hey, Buzz Aldrin. I'm calling you out. You and me. Mano y mano. That's Latin for, you know, man to man. Yeah. You're going to fight... what's his name? The first man on the moon. Neil Armstrong. I think he's dead. Oh, is he? No, Buzz Aldrin, the drunk guy. Yeah, he's dead too. Really? Are they all dead now? No, I don't know. If you're not dead already, you're gonna be. No, I can't threaten people on YouTube. That's hate speech. Yeah, I'm just kidding, you guys. I wouldn't hurt you. I know they threatened your families. You had no choice. Okay, Super X is here, sweetie. Oh, BOOZHOO, Super X. Super RX. Super X. Or maybe it's Supper X. It's the X Supper. Imagine how Oh yeah, it was Super X says, can you imagine how smelly the International Space Station would be if it wasn't 100% fake? Yeah. Is there even a bathroom in there? I don't know. There were no bathrooms on any of the Apollo missions. Yeah, they want us to believe those guys are all pooping in their own diapers. Yeah. Hey, Buzz Aldrin or Neil Armstrong or that other guy. If you're still alive and you're watching my show, I just have one question. What was it like to poop yourself for so many hours, days, or however long it took to get to the moon and back. Because if you look it up, they tell us there was no bathroom on any of the spaceships until the 1980s when they made the Space Shuttle Challenger. That was the first time they ever put a bathroom on one of their high-tech spaceships.
Yeah.
I mean, even buses have. But, okay. But then, so NASA says, yeah, well, they had special space diapers. Oh, okay. Grown men pooping yourself. What, for science? Oh, science did that. But yeah, so I get all crabby thinking about it. Res Métis is here, sweetie.
Hey, Doc, what's going on?
BOOZHOO! The doctor's in the house. Ta shi mon ami. Brother. Those guys from North Dakota, they can't pronounce their THs.
It's all D's with them.
Yeah. Hey, brother. Hey there, brother. What's happening? Give me 5. Jive turkey.
What are you doing?
I'm talking black from the 70s. Hey, jive turkey. Give me 5. At least that's how I picture black people being in the 70s.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. It was a much simpler time.
Yep, they never swore.
Nope, they never swore. They never said the MF word. They never said the N word. Where's my N word? I'm surprised that whole calling people. Never mind.
What?
I'm not going to make these kind of jokes. I'm going to get into trouble. Oh, la, la. Apollo was a massive boost for 2 things. Disposable diapers and instant coffee. Yep. Or so they would have you believe. Oh yeah, we invented instant coffee up in outer space. I think they invented Tang at the same time. Disposable diapers. And the birth control pill. Whatever came out that year in science in the 70s, NASA took credit for. I did hear actually that Photoshop came out that same year.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, they probably had, who knows? They want us to believe, oh, we have the technology. NASA's technology is 50 years in the future of what the common man knows. Yeah. That's what you'd like me to believe. Okay. You want to get up here, sweetie?
Sure.
I'm going to let Natasha come. We're going to turn the camera over to the lovely and talented Natasha. But first, here's a message from our sponsors.
We don't have any sponsors.
We got a bunch of sponsors. What are you talking about?
Oh, yeah, we got, patron saints.
Yeah, got patron saints. But here's a song. This song is called, should we do Crashing Down or Emily?
How about we do Crashing Down?
Crashing Down. Up next, Natasha. Whoops. No, it's Emily.
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask how she sees when she looks. She's watching you and me. And
Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snow finds its way up her nose. And don't ask how she feels. Mice and men are her only meals. But I can only say that I've seen better days, and this is my mistake, and I'll get only what I take. You are so messed up, I don't know why I even tried. This is the best I could do with what I had and all I knew, and we will fight all night. I don't see how we got here now, and this is all I have, and now it's all I have to give. But I can only say that I've seen better days. This is my mistake, and I'll get only what I take. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, maybe tomorrow.
BOOZHOO! Gakina Awiya! Hello, everybody. How you doing? Anin, Aji Ayayan. How are you? Natasha, Natasha, Natasha's my name.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
We just got a super chat from Chief Morso.
What? Really? Oh, that's awesome. Meekwatch, Chief Marcel.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Hoka, hey. Probably because he liked your song.
Yeah.
Do, 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 we're in the money. So, yeah, I like that song, Emily. Michael, what? Do you want to finally talk about Emily?
I really would rather not.
I think the BOOZHOO crew has a right to know everything about your dating life.
Well, I tell them about my dating life, but has nothing to do with my dating life.
Are you seeing anybody right now?
No.
Wow, what a shock. No. So, what are we talking about today, sweetie?
I think we're talking about the evening.
What's some of the Ojibwe? Oh, the weather. Yeah, I gotta do a weather report. Clear to partly cloudy skies with chances of shower. 30% na. Anin. Gi ishi we bud. Wabang. Anin. Anin is... There's a lot of ways you can use the word ani. Anin. Anin's like hi and how and what. Anin. It's just a question word. Anin. Gi. Remember how we is the future? Well, gi is the past. So this is wrong.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I should have said we. How will the weather be? Is anin we ishiwe bud. Gi would have been how was the weather. So, thank you for tuning in to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast where we teach you how to speak wrong. You know? It's because it's a night show. I'm too tired. Well, anyway, guys, so ignore that, kids. And I actually don't know what the weather's going to be like tomorrow. I can never pay attention. Oh, and what difference does it make? What do I need to know that for? Is that going to change my plans at all?
You mean if you know it's going to rain, that won't change anything?
No, nothing I do is contingent on the weather. Like, oh, I was going to go, what? Go down to the beach, go tanning? I was going to play beach volleyball, but it says it's going to rain. No, I don't do anything. Let it rain, sun, hot, cold. I do the same thing every day, no matter what the weather. Because I'm a Minnesotan.
Yeah.
So, whatever. Hey, Lou Page is here, sweetie.
No way. BOOZHOO, Niji.
BOOZHOO, Lee. Lee? What am I doing? BOOZHOO, Lou. Lee? Who's Lee?
I don't know.
Emily. Emily tries. Super X says, excellent composition. Heart goes out to all the Emilys in the world. Hope they get all the comfort and peace they need. Yeah. Emily. I love the name Emily because it's an old lady name.
That's why you like it? Because it's an old lady name? I know a lot of little kids who have the name Emily, actually.
Well, yeah, a lot of people are naming their kid. It's coming back. I'm not saying it's not an old lady name. It was a name from it's like old world name. It's a name that used to be popular back in the good old days, and now it's coming back. And I like it. I like those old names. Like Emily, Leona, Irene, whatever. Jolene. I'm done for you, baby. Just because you can. Don't you take my man, or whatever that song's about. Jolene. Anyway, what do you think, Paul?
Hey, Natasha. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. You got plans this week?
I'm going to rock and roll all night and party every day.
Are you really?
Yeah, I have to. I'm under contract. I'm so sick of it.
I can imagine. You must be sick of doing the same stupid songs year after year. Write a new song, won't you?
Well, I write a new song, but then the Kiss fans don't want to listen.
I know. What is that? Even me, I don't really want to hear new Paul Stanley song. Well, I'd listen to a new Paul Stanley song. I just don't care about new Kiss songs.
Yeah, me either. Well, they're also stupid.
Yeah. What do you think is the dumbest Kiss song ever written?
Well, they have some very rapey songs.
Rapey?
Yeah. Like Love Gun.
What's Love Gun? You can run, you can hide, but you never get away. Yeah, you can run and hide, but you'll never get away. What in the world are you thinking, Paul?
I wrote that song when I was 22 years old. Give me a break.
Yeah, and then they also have some songs that they're just gross now, like Christine 16. I don't want to hear a man in his 70s singing about how he saw a 16-year-old girl coming out of the school that day. And that day I knew, I've got to have you. I'm Gene Simmons. She's been around, but she's, Yeah, those are stupid.
Yeah, there's too many bad Kiss songs to... But, even though they're terrible and the lyrics are just
pretty offensive.
Yeah.
They're also unforgettable hooks. 30 years later, you can still sing it just at the drop of a hat.
That's true. I can sing Christine 16, every note, every lyric. I have, why is that?
I don't know. Because you've been infected.
I've been infected. I don't know. So what else is going on in the world?
Current events? I don't know.
You guys been paying attention to the current events? I haven't.
You want to talk to somebody like a celebrity?
Well, sure. Is there anybody on the phone?
We have one caller on line 2.
Oh, okay. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hello, love. I said the Queen Mom it is. Is this America?
Yeah, I think you're reaching America. This is Natasha.
Oh, who's this then?
It's Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. What can I do for you, Queen of England?
Oh, that's right. Well, what you calling an old lady in the middle of the night for? I was having my nap.
You were having a nap?
I don't sleep at night, 'cause I'm a vampire.
Oh, I didn't know you were a vampire.
Oh, yeah, of course I did. I was talking about how me family comes from the line of vampire. You say I'm Dracula.
Oh, that's right. We were joking about that. But you called us. We didn't call you.
Hey, what's this now?
You called us, Queen.
Oh, okay. Is this the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast?
Yeah, it sure is.
What's your Ojibwe word of the day then, dear?
Well, our Ojibwe word of the day is Mina Onagoshin. Good evening.
Mina Onagoshin, then?
Yep.
Good evening. Well, how would one say good night, dear?
Well, we would say Mino Dibik. Whoops. Okay, well, this is good night, everybody. Mino Dibik God. Gakina Awiya.
Mino Dibakad Gakina Awiya.
Yep. Mino Dibakad. That's good night. Dibakad is a night. Mino means good. Gakina is like all or every. And Awiya is body. Gakina Awiya. Everybody. I could have put that in one word, I suppose.
Oh, all right there. Well, Mino Dibakad Gakina Awiya.
Okay. Mino Dibakad. Queen.
All right then.
Huh. She sounded different tonight.
Yeah. She normally has an English accent.
I know. I wonder why she had suddenly an Australian accent.
Beats me.
She must have been tired because it's so late. Well, what do you think, sweetie?
You want to take one more call?
Oh, sure. I'll take one more call. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Me love Cookie.
Well, hi, Cookie Monster. What are you still doing up? It's pretty late, don't you think?
Me eat cookie. Me got sugar rush.
Yeah, okay, take it easy. He's got a sugar rush. He can't fall asleep.
Me want learn Ojibwe phrase of day.
Okay, well, it's good night, everybody. Mino Dibakud, Gakina Awiya.
Mino Dibakad Gakina Awiya.
Yep, that's right.
How you say cookie in Ojibwe?
Well, we would call it Bakwajigunts. Bakwajigun is bread, and a little bread is a Bakwajigunts, or a cookie.
Bakwajigunts. Me love Bakwajigunts.
Yeah, you sure do. I think you got a bit of a problem, but anything else I can do for you today?
How you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we say
My throat's killing me. We say, Gigawaba min, minawa.
Gigawabamin minawa, Natasha.
You too, Cookie. Well, there you go, Cookie Monster.
I didn't know you watched the show.
When he's not, tweaking on too many cookies.
Yeah. He's a tragic case.
He is a tragic case. Everybody thinks it's funny. Everybody laughs at Cookie Monster's addictions. Well, they're not going to be laughing when it's too late. When he comes down with diabetes or something.
Yeah, he's already lost all his teeth.
I noticed that. He doesn't have a single tooth left. Cavities. Kids. I was watching Sesame Street the other day.
Yeah.
And you know what it was?
What?
It was some dude I'd never seen before with a terrible voice. And I think it was the dad of a kid. They have new characters now. I don't even know if like Grover's ever on Sesame Street. But it was a dad speaking to his daughter on a Zoom call, telling her to wear a mask.
Yeah.
I mean, what? So here's like Sesame Street, and they're talking like they know their audience is going to be like 4-year-olds or something. Because it's just like little kid programming. But then he's like, make sure you wear your mask. Always wear a mask. And I'm like, hey, dude, don't you suppose you can leave that up to the kid's parents?
Yeah.
I mean, or was he thinking like, was that spot for the adults who watch Sesame Street, who are also parents? It was just like more mask programming. What are we going to do with Sesame Street, sweetie?
I don't know. Probably nothing.
All right. Well, in that case, if you'd like to support the show, we have links in the description. You got to hit more. But we have links in the description to Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe. We also have a Teespring page with overpriced merchandise. I mean, I think the t-shirts might be reasonably priced, but the coffee mugs are ridiculous. I wouldn't recommend buying them because we're going to give away cups sooner or later here. And Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, has books for sale on Amazon.com. Books like Dog and Maingan, a picture book that teaches kids how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Written and illustrated by Michael Lyons. And unless you have anything else you want to add?
Nope, that's good.
All right. Miigwech Ganawabi Egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech kakinawiya.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I just want to say good night, everybody. Mina Dimakan Kakina Awiya. Good night, everybody. Sweetie?
When to teleport?
Yeah. I'm getting tired. I'm going to brush my teeth and go to bed.
All right.
See you tomorrow.
When to teleport?
Make it so, number one. Nah.
weeds are grown and gone. So why does this feel, why does it feel so wrong? And it seems like we've come to an end. Will you still be my only friend? Oh, it feels like we've come to an end. Will you please be my only friend when it all comes crashing down? Now it all comes crashing down. It just all came crashing down. Now it all comes crashing down. And it feels like we've been here before, and I don't know why, I don't know what for. Oh, it seems like we've come to an end. Now will you still be my only friend when it all comes crashing down? Now it all comes crashing down. It just all came crashing down. Now it all comes crashing down. Oh, it all came crashing down. It just all comes crashing down. It just all came crashing down. Now it all comes crashing down. And it feels like we've been here before, but I don't know why, and I don't know what for. Oh, it seems like we've come to an end.